The Force will be with you. Always, 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 always.
Heading down this way, I'm just going to walk down to the hotel we have usually been staying at of late when we come here. Lots of tourists around at this time. A lot of tourists come here and partake in the almsgiving.
The Force will be with you. Always, always, always.
Every time I come here, I'm just overwhelmed by the beauty of this place. The hotel's just round to the left there. I've only just walked out the door thinking I'll just go get something to eat. I'll video something later on. As soon as I walk out, yeah. It is such a beautiful place, Luang Prabang. Very quiet at this time. It's probably closing in about 1 p.m. Take a look at the Mekong. Oh, it's nice and cool down here under the trees. Tuk-tuk drivers there, chilling out, having lunch. Right, I'm going to go grab a feed and see if I can source out somewhere to hire a motorbike. Just going to be a cruisy day today, do stuff all. Just have a bit of a look around. We'll go out and have a look at the markets and that tonight. But as far as exploring new places, I'll leave that till tomorrow. I just want to source out where to get a bike today and what time they open, so I know what time to be there in the morning. Oh, these beautiful old buildings. Yeah, and then hit the road in the morning, go out up to this village that my friend that I met at Suk Chai travel agent S.E.Asia, he recommended going up there. And you can then, it's a nice little village, and you can actually do a trek from there to the top of Kawangsi Falls, so we'll take a look at that. That's one of the reasons I came up here. Out of all the times I've come to, keep getting distracted by all these little nice places. Nice little cafe there. Out of all the times I've travelled to Luang Prabang, I've never been able to capture Kawangsi Falls on my camera. I know it has featured in one, maybe two of my videos. No, one for sure. But that was just from 2015 when my son come over and he captured it on his GoPro. I wasn't even doing YouTube videos then, so I just sort of put some pieces together at Kawangsi Falls. Every other time my camera's usually been in rice from drowning it from the 2017 trip we had. Drowned it jumping off waterfalls in the Philippines, then drowned it again in Vientiane with my cousin James jumping on me in the pool. just giving you, I guess this will turn out to be just a little sort of walking tour of Luang Prabang, which you've seen many times before in my videos. I'm walking this way rather than up in the main street. One, because it's cooler down under these trees, not intentional though. And two, I did see on the map there was a motorcycle hire centre down here. Wouldn't call it a centre, more like a shop. How gorgeous does that look? What a setting Luang Prabang is. This part of Luang Prabang is on the little finger of land where the Namkan River meets the Mekong. Just like a little peninsula between two big rivers. So we've just turned up into this side street. That dead ahead of us is Mount Fussy. A lot of people climb there right on sunset just to watch the sun going down. Gets packed up at the top. And right at the junction of this T intersection to the right is where the night markets begin. Every night just before sunset also. But what an astonishing temple this is. So quiet this time of day, hey? Because it is the heat of the day. A lot of people rise early to take in arms to participate in that. I guess they're all just resting now in the heat of the day. It's much warmer than what I thought it'd be. Nice traditional clothing. Bike rental. Motorbike rental there, you're looking at 90 and 100,000 kip for 24 hours for the day. I was renting them in Vientiane just a few weeks back for 50,000 from, you had to drop it off by 7 p.m. that night. It wasn't 24 hours, but for the best part of that 24 hours, you can't use it anyway, so it's pretty, you're looking at double the price. But for 24 hours means I'd be able to pick it up this afternoon, then just shoot off anytime I like in the morning, not have to wait for them to open or actually walk up here to go. I can just plan my trip and jump on it and go. There is a little parking area at my hotel that I'll be able to do that. Right, time to camera down and get myself a feed and work out the next plan of attack. But it's so hard just to put you guys down and stop you enjoying this view also. It's just where I had lunch, guys. The pizza Luang Prabang. No, I did not have a pizza. I had a burger. It's unusual, like the price of hiring a motorcycle up here, 90 to 100,000 kip. The burger up here was only 35,000 kip, where in Vientiane you're usually paying 45 to 59,000 kip. Some things are cheaper, some things are more expensive. The food does seem to be cheaper up here. Haven't really noticed it before. Haven't really been doing comparison videos of prices of food and things like that. This road will take you down to the Namkan River, which is just down there. Okay, just looking for an ATM. The lady pointed me up in this direction and I can see the little ATM houses now. See if they have a B cell. There we go, that's the one we're after. It's the one we're after because it is the one of the cheapest as far as the fees, 20,000 kip, where they can range up to 40 and 50,000 kip. Also, something they do different in the ATMs that they do back home in Australia, I don't know what anywhere else in other parts of the world, but they will give you cash first here, which makes it easy. When the cash comes out, you grab your cash, you put it in your wallet, and you turn to walk away, leaving your card behind. Back home in Australia, it is you'll get your card first. Nobody grabs their card and walks away. They're there for the cash, so they're still waiting for the cash. Know what I mean? Yeah. When you see that cash come out first, I don't know if it's just because we're used to them doing it that way back home, and when we grab the cash, we go to walk away. But I was just about to walk away then, and it's gone beep, 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 to let me know that my card was still in there to come out. Yeah, don't do that. Don't walk away from your card. I don't know how this is coming up on video. You got the sun straight in your eyes. And Subaidi,
how are you doing?
I'm good.
Good.
Do you hire motorbike?
Hire?
Motorcycle hire?
Yeah, we do.
Okay, I mainly want it for tomorrow.
Yeah.
I'm just wondering what time you shut tonight. Is it 24-hour hire?
Yeah.
Because I'm thinking if I pick it up before you close tonight, that gives me early start tomorrow, and I can return it tomorrow afternoon. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Price? Todd?
Oh, you also speak loud.
No, very little Lao.
You talk to the guy here.
Okay.
I'll say what time you want to take the bike?
What time do you close?
9 p.m.
I'll take probably around 6 or 7. I'll come back because I will have it back by about before sunset tomorrow.
Yeah. Do you have passport now?
No, it's in my room. So I'm coming back up along here when the night markets open up. So I'll call in then and book it and probably pick it up then if that's okay. I just mainly wanted to find somewhere that does do it and get the prices and let you know that I will be back.
Yeah, just reserve and pay.
Yeah.
And then you can go
I will
back,
come back with my passport. Okay.
Before you take the bike.
Oh yeah. No, I'll bring that back tonight. Yeah, around that tonight. And the price?
The price is 100,000 K.
Okay. What's that little Honda Scoopy, is it? Automatic?
Scoopy I.
Scoopy I? Yeah, I've got one. I live in Vientiane. Yeah. Things aren't looking good, guys. They're not looking good. I've just had to pull my battery out of my GoPro just to turn it off. The button wasn't working. I hope it was just an overheating glitch and that it isn't on its way out. It is a GoPro 6, it is a couple of years old now. And being up here is not a good place for it to shit itself on me. Oh, we're just staying around here. You know the area. We've done arms along here before. Usually have breakfast in there. And our forever faithful hotel here, 40 US bucks for the middle balcony room that I've got. No, it's not. It's 28 US bucks. It's 40 Australian dollars. Thank you. Thanks, Chief. So yeah, it not turning itself off is a major worry because my GoPro, what you guys see is 90% filmed on GoPro. You know this hotel. It's my room there.
Force will be with you. Always, 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 always.
Oh, I turn this aircon on. Alrighty. Leave my shoes there. Chill for a couple of hours, go pick this bike up, Around 6, 7 p.m.